Hello kids, how are you? Fine? First of all, everyone give a nice smile. Very good. My name is Mehta. I know you all are excited to learn the next topic. So today I am going to brief you the concept of in. Say with me, in. O-N, on. A-N-D, and. Now children, look at this. What is this? Glass. Now do you know where to use the word in? When something is inside, we use the word in. Now I am keeping this inside. So what we are going to use? in. Now where to use the word on? If something is on the top of other object, we use the word on. Now I am keeping it on the top. So we will use the word on. Now look at here children. What is this? Two objects are there. If we want to join these two objects in a single sentence, we will use the word and. Now, I am going to teach you through different pictures and sentences. First, we are going to take the concept of in. Now look at this picture carefully. This picture is of in, on or and. Yes, in. Now tell me, what is in? A rat. And where is the rat? In a hat. So always start the sentence with the thing which is in, on or and. Here a rat is in. So we will read as a R-A-T rat, I-N in, a H-A-T hat. A rat in a hat. Now this picture is of in, on or and. In. What is in? Apple. So we have to start with apple. Children, see this sentence is starting with an, not with a. Yes, because all the vowels A, E, I, O, U are the friends of an, and apple starts with A. So A is the friend of an. Read the sentence. an, A-double-P-L-E, apple. I-N, in. A, B-O-X, box. An apple in a box. Now I am going to show you some examples of on, on. Now in this picture, what is on? A hat. Where is the hat? On a rat. So read the sentence. A HAT hat. ON on. A RAT rat. A hat on a rat. Now in this picture, what is on? Apple. Where is the apple? On a box. Read the sentence. ANN APPLE apple. ON on a BOX box. An apple on a box. Now I am going to show you some examples of and. As I told you children, when we want to join two things in a single sentence, we use and. In this picture, you can see a hat and a rat. Now, if we want to join it, we will use and. Read the sentence. A HAT hat, AND and a RAT rat. A hat and a rat. Here also you can see two things, apple and box. But as I told you earlier, before apple we have to use an. So read the sentence with me. ANN APPLE apple. AND and a BOX box. An apple and a box. Now children, let's sing one rhyme.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the bear?
The bear is on the chair.
Where is the snake?
The snake is on the cake.
Where is the guitar?
The guitar is on the car.
Where are you?
I'm on a chair too.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the mouse?
The mouse is in the house.
Where is the cat?
The cat is in the hat.
Where is the fish?
The fish is in the dish.
Where are you?
I'm in the classroom.
So children, keep on revising all the topics. Bye.